This is Cartoon Rose Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 13 individual stamps. This fun stamp set has been designed in a cartoon-like style with thick lines and bold colored layers. It's sure to add an impact to any project. We have included 2 roses and 2 leaves, as well as a simple hello in a casual cursive font.
Introducing Sparkled Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set containing 18 individual stamps. Sparkle with all your heart with this gorgeous floral bloom. The stamp set features a large flower in full bloom with flowing petals and gorgeous details. The large flower consists of an outline layer and 2 detailed layers. This set is a coordinating mass stencil which can be used as a base layer for the flower and the leaves. There is also an extra stamp for the stamen which can be stamped separately if the outline layer is not used. Introducing Perfect Poinsettias 3D Embossing Folder from Altenew. Take your projects to a whole new dimension with our 3D embossing folders. This embossing folders features a beautiful background of gorgeous poinsettia flowers, just perfect for the holiday season. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce 3-dimensional shape designs to enhance your creations. Simply run it through your die cutting machine, following your manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders to add amazing texture to your handmade projects.
This is Eucalyptus Jar Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 14 individual stamps. Dream big with this fun modern stamp set. This stamp set can be used in card making, journaling and scrapbooking. It comes with a perfect pairing of quotes and sentiments, as well as a beautiful eucalyptus drawing. The eucalyptus and mason jar images can be die cut separately. You may also layer the eucalyptus behind the jar. Depending on your favorite coloring mediums, you have the option to color it in with watercolors, markers or inks. This is Better Together 2 stamp set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 7 individual stamps. We are truly better together. This stamp set is a follow-up to our popular Better Together stamp set. It contains meaningful sentiments to stress the importance of acceptance, unity and diversity. If you want to boost a friend's confidence, welcome your new neighbor or encourage a family member, this set is for you. This is 2021 stamp set from Altenew. This is a 2x3 stamp set with 3 individual stamps. Another year, another 365 days for crafting. We have designed this stamp to commemorate the year 2021, and it would make the perfect addition for your scrapbook layouts, journals, New Year's cards and more.
Introducing Fine Liner Pen Set from Altenew. These fine liner pens come in a pack of 4 in 4 various sizes. These fine liner pens will suit any of your writing or drawing needs. The set includes 3 fine liner pens and 1 brush pen. They all contain waterproof jet black ink, making them perfect complement to watercolour and other water-based mediums. Whether you enjoy journaling, doodling, or simply need a set of black fine line pens in your craft room, this is the perfect go-to bundle. As well as a bold brush nib, there are 3 other sizes of nibs in 005, 01 and 02.
This is Firefighter Hero Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 8 individual stamps. This stamp set is part of our Everyday Heroes series, which honours the heroes we have all around us to keep society functioning. With this set, you can honour firefighters in handmade cards, scrapbook layouts, journal pages, personalised gift tags and more. You will love stamping the images in this set, which include a fire hydrant, a hose, a fire extinguisher and a helmet.
Introducing GeoSteps 3D Embossing Folder from Altenew. Take your projects to a whole new dimension with our 3D embossing folders. This embossing folder features a beautiful geometric background and complements our ever so popular Step Builder stencil. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce 3-dimensional shape designs to enhance your projects. Simply run it through your die cutting machine following the manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders to add amazing texture to your handmade projects.
This is Mandala Maker Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 49 individual stamps. Mandala dot artwork is all the rage and for good reasons. Gorgeous, elaborate designs can be easily created with simple shapes, a few colors and a bit of patience. This stamp set includes everything you need to start making your own mandala designs, including 5 circular templates along with 44 small shaped stamps. There are 2 of each size, so you can mount more than one on your block and cut your stamping time in half. Additionally, the guides can be used with any other stamp sets you have in your collection to create endless mandalas and patterns. This is Pen Sketch Silhouette Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 12 individual stamps. This stamp set features silhouettes of beautiful hand-sketched floral branches. With a simple one-step stamping, you can create beautiful background patterns or bold focal pieces. These images will look great stamped in any one color or multiple colors. The set includes 5 sentiments that will sure put a smile on someone's face.
Introducing Striped Circle Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8-inch clear stamp set containing 13 individual stamps. Fill the air with magic and sparkle. This delightful background stamp has a circle created out of handmade stripes. It also has a set of 5 long stripes that you can use for frames or borders or to extend the large background stamp. This background stamp is perfect for focusing on central element on your card, whether that's a flower, sentiment, or any other design of your choice. Introducing Mini Ink Cube Label Decal Set from Altenew. This decal set includes 5 sheets, including 127 colour names, 31 ink cube sets, and 2 fun patterns. Give your Altenew mini cubes a new look and easily organise your inks with these cute labels. The mini ink cube labels are meant to work with our crisp dye ink mini ink cube sets. These labels were designed so they would fit perfectly around the sides of the mini ink cubes. Now when the lids are off, you can easily identify the colours, plus they are simply pretty to look at. To apply the label, start in the middle of one side and go around all 4 sides. The labels are slightly long so the ends overlap. Introducing Twinkle and Shine washi tape bundle from Altenew. We are adding 3 new washi tapes to our current collection. Blue watercolour washi tape features a beautiful watercolour design with gorgeous blue hues. Pink watercolour washi tape features a watercolour design with beautiful pink tones. Both the blue and the pink watercolour washi tape measure 4.5 by 10 meters, so will easily fit the front of an A2 card. Peachy Tiles washi tape features peach and yellow hexagon tiles separated by white grout. This measures 2.5 inches by 10 meters and will add a fun addition to any handmade project. For more information and fresh inspiration using these washi tapes and many more, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!